how to delete Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your Facebook account. So for that, just open your Facebook in your smartphone, and after that just click on the hamburger icon from the top right, and under the settings and privacy just click on settings, and now just select the account center from the top, and here scroll down, and under the account settings sections just click on personal details, and now just click on account ownership and control, and on this page you will see these two options. So just click on deactivation or deletion, and just select the account that you want to delete, and here it is asking you whether you temporarily want to deactivate your Facebook account or do you want to permanently delete your account. So select accordingly and just click on continue, and here you can also highlight the reason for deleting your Facebook account and just click on continue. And before deleting your account, you have these options that you can use to either keep your messenger from deactivating and save your post in archive, or you can also download your Facebook information. You can transfer a copy of your information. You can also review app you have logged into, and just select accordingly and click on continue. And here, in order to delete your account permanently, you have to mention the password of the account. So just mention that. And here, in order to confirm your account permanently, you have to click on delete account. And once you click on delete account, your account will be permanently deleted. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your Facebook account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.